Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play OSU on Linux. First, you will need to install Wine, which is a compatibility layer allowing Windows applications to run on your Linux system. It is crucial to ensure your graphics drivers are fully updated for the best possible performance. After that, simply download the OSU installer directly from the official OSU website. This initial setup is straightforward and sets the foundation for a smooth gaming experience. Once Wine is installed, navigate to your downloaded OSU installer. You can then run it using Wine, either by right-clicking the file and selecting Open with Wine Windows Program Loader or via your terminal. Simply follow the clear on-screen prompts to guide you through the installation. It is often best to choose a dedicated installation directory within your Wine prefix for better organization and management. To get the best experience, optimizing your gameplay is key. Within OSU, adjust settings such as the frame limiter to unlimited, gameplay, and set your resolution to match your monitor. For advanced users, creating a custom Wine prefix specifically for OSU can help isolate its dependencies. Additionally, disabling desktop effects in your Linux environment like compositing can significantly reduce input lag, giving you a competitive edge. Encountering issues is normal, but many have simple solutions. If OSU crashes, a common fix is to update your Wine version or ensure your graphics drivers are the latest. For persistent input lag, try experimenting with different display server settings, such as switching between Zorg and Wayland. Remember, the OSU and Linux gaming communities are fantastic resources for further support, offering a wealth of knowledge and helpful tips.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.